Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started here. I made a couple of charts, the weekly chart, gold weekly charts on 2nd September. The first one was this, my first scenario. I had two scenarios, upside and downside, right? Based on a level, which was 1959. So I had it first. This one, the first scenario was that if we can go above and stay above 1877, then we will go back to the upside 1959. And if we break, we're gonna go to 1987 and this 2070 and 2080 and to the upside. The first scenario based on the 19, like I said, go up to 1959, then down to 1959 for wave two. That's I wrote it wrong here. The wave two for down to 1916 or something, 1959, and then from there wave for wave three, then we will go up again on a 40-minute chart. So it's 1, 2, and then 3 to the upside. Right. The second scenario was that if we cannot go above 1959, so we will drop from there. And then I said that if 1959 holds and we drop, we'll go back to 1877, then 1802. That was the second scenario. So we're going to go back to 1877 and then 1802. So this thing here, gold, it selected the second option here, second scenario. And this is the current chart that it couldn't go above. It went up, came down, went up again one more time for the wave third wave, and then couldn't go above. 1959 held and we start to drop and then broke below 1877, like I said, and then very close now to 1802 right now. 1823 right now. So 1802 we have to go to the target right now. That this current trade is going on right now. Is still on and coming down. I had another one, which was this, from 1868 to 1833, and this entry also somewhere here, and it is still going on. Where was the entry? Where'd it go? No, not this one. Pound USD. Oh, I don't know. Well, probably it's still here. Right here, right? So it is still, this is the entry, and target is 1802. Right? So this entry was from 1846. Right now it is 1824, coming down nicely. And let's see if we can hit the target. So after 1802, that's what I think that it's going to be, this wave two is going to be finished. From 1802, which is also 61% of this whole rise, right? So this is 1802, there is a very good chance of bouncing again to the upside. All right, so be careful. Be ready, and let's see what happens. So that's what my gold analysis and the trades are, and we take it from there. So first down to 1802, then to the upside. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can see my videos as soon as I upload them. All right. So see you guys later.